Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Booking.com app crashing step by step. First, go ahead and swipe up from the bottom of your screen, look for the app, swipe it away, completely closing it, wait for a few while, and then reopen it. Temporary glitches often cause apps to crash, so you can fix it by closing the app. Next, restart your phone to clear system memory and background processes. Then, head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for Booking.com, and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version, as updates fix bugs and improve stability. Now, if you're using Android, go to Settings, Apps, then find Booking.com and tap Storage and clear the cache. If the issue persists, long press on the app icon, remove app, then delete the app. After deleting it, go to the App Store, search for Booking.com and download it again. Once this will remove the corrupted files. That's how you fix the Booking.com app crashing. Do not forget to like and subscribe for more fixes.